So you have also
Yeah.
done a 6 months course from our English speaking. So was this course
Yes.
helpful? Do people make fun of you when you speak English?
Yes. Many of person make fun of me.
Who are these people who make fun of you?
Villagers, like my friend circles.
Do you have a girlfriend?
If I would girlfriend, then I don't connect with you. I think.
Why?
Yeah.
Girlfriend would have got angry. I will give you an activity. Tell me the story of thirsty crow. प्यासा कौवा.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
So सबसे पहले तो first of all I would say ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity because your channel is huge. It's a opportunity to me, ma'am.
You're welcome. I am also really excited to talk to you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah, me too, ma'am. Okay, so my name is Nakulkumarrrr, and originally I am from Kishanganj district in the state of Bihar in India.
Okay.
Yes, and I am a student, but now I have stopped studying after completing my 12th from CBSE board and just learning English, nothing else.
You have stopped studying
Yeah.
after class 12. Why? Due to financial issues, you are not studying anymore. Due to financial reasons, you are not studying anymore. And after doing class 12, you are learning English. So
Yes, ma'am.
you have not done any professional course. So after just class 12, do you think you will get a good job?
No, no.
For good jobs, you will have
No,
to
but-
study.
Also, I have completed advanced diploma in computers. Yeah.
Okay, you have completed advanced diploma in computers. So you have learned coding, right? Programming. So
Yes.
what do you want to become when you grow up?
Grow up like actually when I was young, I'm in 2 or 3 class. I wanted to be a doctor, but now I want to be a teacher just like you. So yeah.
So you wanted to become a doctor when you were in class 2 or 3, but now you want to become a teacher. So you want to teach English?
Yes.
Okay. What does your father do?
So actually my father is a farmer and I'm his son, and that means I help to my father. Yeah.
Okay. You help your father with farming, right?
Yeah, actually, I have a lot to say about farming, but I'm unable to speak about farming. Yes.
Okay. Because you are
Yes,
not
yes.
able to express
Yeah,
yourself in English.
That's the thing.
That's the thing.
Yes, ma'am. That's the thing I wanted to say. But yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
So
that's the thing I wanted to say.
why do you want to become fluent in English?
Ma'am, actually, when I was young, I mean, same 4 or 3 class when I was young, my father always encouraged me to learn English. So since then, I get eager to learn English, and that's why I am pursuing it to fulfill my dream of speaking English. Yeah.
Does any other person speak English in your village?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, nobody speaks
I
English
am
in your village. So you are the only one?
no. Yes. There is no any kind of person I can so that I can speak English with whom. No any kind of person. Yes. I am alone.
There is no one in the village with whom you can speak English. So you are the only one, right, who speaks English.
Yes.
So what are you doing to improve your English?
Just by watching YouTube videos and nothing else. And also, if I say so, I have also done a basic course like Abbal Search. Yeah.
Okay.
199 course. Yes.
Okay, so you have done 3 months
Yeah,
course.
yes.
What was the duration of the course?
I think 6 months.
Okay, so you have also done a 6 months course from our English speaking. So was this course helpful?
Yeah, very helpful for beginner. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, please tell me about this course.
Yeah, it's very, very good for me if I talk about this course. So in this course, I get to learn like sentence structure and grammar and vocabulary a little bit. I mean, if you done basic course, then you will be able to speak a little bit. Just
So how many lessons were there in the our English speaking course?
like 60 to 65.
Okay, 60 to 65 lessons were there, and every lesson was for 10 to 15 minutes
No,
duration.
10 to 15, 20 minutes plus.
Okay. So
would be-
every session was of 20 minutes duration, right?
20, yeah, not fixed, not duration, fixed duration, not
Okay.
fixed duration.
So
Yeah,
can
some
you
is 10 minutes, some yes.
Okay. Since
Yes,
you have attended 60 to 65 sessions, can you explain one
Yes.
session I want to know what kind of a course it is. So I want to know about at least one session.
Ma'am, as I said, the course that I have done, it's a basic. Yeah. For 199 course.
Yeah, you tell me something
Yeah.
that you learned, like one session. You can explain one lesson.
How can I explain here? Like, I can't express. Like, how can I
Okay,
express? You ask me and I try to
Okay.
construct.
I wanted to know something like, was it an animated course? Were the lessons in animated form?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No animated. Only Abel Sas and his like duplicate.
Okay. Our sir played double role in every lesson.
Yeah.
Okay.
According to needs. Yeah, according to needs.
So
Yeah,
you
according to needs.
enjoyed these lessons?
Yes.
Okay.
The character name is first is Abel Sir and second is Sonu and Monu and next she was a Tina ma'am. He is like how can I explain? He is
Okay,
an actual boy, but yeah.
There were 3-4
Like
characters.
dressing,
One was
yeah,
Aval
that
sir,
is-
Sonu
Yeah.
and Tina ma'am.
Yeah, Tina ma'am is also Abel sir, but his
Okay.
dress is ladies. Yeah.
Okay. Aval sir
Yes.
played the role of Tina also, Sonu Monu also.
Yeah. That,
Aval sir
yes.
himself played the role of Aval sir, Sonu, Monu, and Tina. Okay, that's
Yes.
great. So, was there some comedy in it?
But yeah, according to needs, if yeah.
Okay. How do you do your English speaking practice? Do you use some app?
Only one right now.
Which
CVF,
one?
that is CVF.
Which one?
CVF, do you know?
Okay. So
CV.
you are
Yeah.
using CV app. So are you using the paid
Yeah.
version or you are using the free version?
No free version, only 30 minutes. I think
Okay.
it's enough for me if I continuously using it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You speak for 30 minutes every day with co-learners.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
With no cost.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So do you think it is helping you?
Yes, helping, but not very helpful because a different type of people there. Don't listen to me. Somebody is, and some is good, and some is like mean boy.
Okay. Some are good and some are mean people. That is
Yeah.
why you think
Yeah,
that the people are not very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So tell me some interesting in conversation that you had on CV.
Nothing much. Just I have installed it last. I think around 1 month ago I installed this application and I install it often, not regularly. I don't know why I can't stay motivated. Like I can't stay regularity. Yeah.
You are not consistent and you are demotivated sometimes.
I struggle right now.
You will have to be consistent because you will have to keep your focus on your goal. Then you will be motivated.
Okay.
But if you look at people, do people make fun of you when you speak English?
Yes. Why not? Many of person make fun of me, mocks, and like
Okay, so many people in the village make
yes.
fun of you. That is why you get demotivated, right?
many times. Yeah. If I
Yeah.
try to, I think I can understand anything. If you, I mean to say, you speak English with me, I understand everything. But when I try to speak with somebody, I unable to speak. Yeah.
Do you know the reason for that? That you understand English but you can't speak well. Do you know the reason?
Reason would be
Yeah,
reason would be lack of practice.
right. See, you are
Yeah,
listening
I
more.
don't practice.
You are आप ज़्यादा सुन रहे हो पर बोल कम रहे. You are listening more, but you are speaking less.
Yes.
Right? So if you are
Less.
listening,
Yeah,
then
that's the problem.
information is going in your brain, but it is not coming out. So you have to speak. The listening and speaking should be equal. If they are equal, then in that case, you will be able to speak. So currently you understand very well because you are listening a lot.
Yeah.
You will be
Yes.
speak well when you speak a lot.
Yeah, I understand your speaking. I understand, but when I try to speak, I struggle.
Who are these people who make fun of you? In the village only? These are villagers?
Villagers. Like my friend circles.
Those are your friends who laugh at you.
Yes.
But how do you feel when they make fun of you? Do you say anything?
How can I say? I get angry after hearing those words. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I have a lot to say in my mind, but I can't express in English.
Okay. That will happen with practice, right? When did you watch my conversational videos? How did you get to know about my channel?
In 1 week ago, I watched your videos.
Okay.
To be really honest, if I said, yeah.
So for
But
1 week,
from
you have
today,
been
I
watching
will
my
continue.
videos.
But from today, I will continuously watch your videos.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Now I I watch your two videos. Like one is recent and second is up most viewed video. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Most viewed video. Okay. So what do you like about my videos?
Very helpful, ma'am, for me, and easy to understand and with subtitles.
Okay.
Yes, very helpful for me. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So I wanted to say actually, so I have a dream to speak fluent English right now. So now I want you to give some any suggestions so that I would be able to speak English, or the position I am right now. I I want to I want to be that person. I mean, would be intermediate or be advanced. No, I think, but intermediate after 1 year
Okay.
I would be, but how is it possible? Yeah, if I would be intermediate level in after 1 year, then how is it possible? Give me some suggestion.
I will tell you,
Okay,
if you want to become a good speaker, good English speaker, then you should
okay, like
you
you.
should write for about 10 minutes a day. You should write every day. Write in English.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
You writing. You can write about your day or your friends, or you can write about your feelings. Like you can write that when these people make fun of you, how do I feel? You
okay,
can write about that. You can write any story. You can write about your parents. You can write anything, but write 2-3 pages every day. Okay, and
okay,
speak English for at least 1 hour every day. That is really important, because without
okay.
speaking, nothing will happen. If you just keep consuming content, nothing will happen. You have to write and you have to speak.
Okay,
Writing for 10 minutes and speaking for at
okay,
least 1 hour. And if you have more time, then speak for two
okay.
hours.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, should I give you a speaking activity?
Yes, give me.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No. If I
So,
would girlfriend, then I don't connect with you. I think.
if you had a girlfriend, you wouldn't have connected with me. Why?
Yeah.
Girlfriend would
Yeah.
have got angry. She would have felt
No,
bad.
girlfriend. If I would girlfriend, then my focus was
Okay,
so I can't.
okay.
Yeah, focus would
Okay.
be in anywhere would be.
You
Yeah.
mean to say, if you had a girlfriend, then your
Yeah.
full focus would have been on her, not on English,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay. I will give you an activity.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me the story of Thirsty Crow. That is a very old story and very popular story. I want you to tell me that story in your own words. That crow who was thirsty.
Oh, that was thirsty. Okay.
Yeah, thirsty crow. Pyasa kaua.
Okay. Okay. समझ गया.
Tell me that story in your own words in English.
Okay, but you have to tell me in Hindi, then I will translate. Otherwise,
You don't remember the
I
story?
can't. No.
I will tell you.
Yeah, I
I will
forgot.
tell you in Hindi. एक
Okay.
कौवा था प्यासा था, वो पानी ढूंढ रहा था सब तरफ.
Okay.
उसके बाद वो जाता है, उसको एक घड़े में पानी दिखता है. पानी इतना सा था
Okay.
नीचे, उसने अपनी चोंच डाली तो पानी तक पहुंच नहीं पाया. उसने फिर अपना दिमाग लगाया कि पानी को ऊपर कैसे लाऊं. उसने पत्थर डाले,
Okay.
बहुत सारे स्टोन्स डाले, तो पानी ऊपर आ गया. उसने पिया और वो खुशी खुशी चला गया. That's it.
Okay.
Now you have to tell me the whole story in English.
Okay. There was a crow, and there was a crow, and
It was thirsty.
it was thirsty, and he finding water, and somehow he gets a how can I express, a bowl, and in bowls there is water some, and the water is in depth, in very depth, and the crow is trying to drink. And how crow drink? Then he thought that if I take a stone and if I put them, then water can be up. Then that's how can I express?
Okay, so now I will tell you the whole story
drink
in
water.
English, and now you can
Okay,
learn
okay.
how to tell this story correctly. Okay, so
Okay.
there was a crow. It was very, very thirsty.
Okay.
It was looking for water everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, it was flying and
Okay.
looking for water. Then
Okay.
it saw a pitcher. It went there and put its beak in the pitcher, but the water level was very low.
Okay.
So the crow's beak couldn't reach it. Crow couldn't drink water.
Okay.
Then it thought of a plan. It thought that
Okay.
if I put lots of pebbles into it, the water level could come up. So then the crow
Okay.
picked up some pebbles from the nearby area and put the pebbles in the
Okay.
pitcher. The water level came
Okay.
up. Then the crow's beak could reach it. The crow drank water and flew away happily. So it flew
Okay,
away
ma'am.
happily. So that was the
Oh,
story.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
very nice.
yeah, you can
Okay,
do these kind of activities every day. I will tell you
okay,
about this
ma'am.
activity. There are many channels which tell you stories in English, right?
Okay.
Watch a story, watch an animated story, or maybe listen to a story. Then you have to
Okay.
describe the same story in your own words. This activity will really enhance your English. So you start doing this
Okay.
activity every day. This is a very, helpful activity. I used to do the same activity earlier.
Okay. So, ma'am, now I have some question and I try to, yeah,
Okay.
I ask you and try to reply them. Okay. So, why do you want to learn English? Actually, I ask this question so that if somebody asks me, then I
Okay.
be
So
able
you
to
want to
reply.
say that if
Yes.
someone asks you why you are learning English, then what should you say?
Okay.
Right? You
Yes.
should say that English is a global language, English is an international language, and without English, it's
Okay.
very difficult to succeed professionally, as well as it's very good to
Okay.
boost your confidence when you are around your relatives,
Okay.
when you are in a restaurant, when
Okay.
you are at the mall, when you are in an office. Everywhere you go, you need English. That is why I want to master English so that I can be confident.
Okay. So, ma'am, do you feel to work? Yeah. By what? I mean, how you feel to your audience English?
I feel very good because I won't
Okay.
know. I know it's so many people's
Yes.
dream
Yes.
to become fluent in English. And when I help
Yes.
them
Like
achieve
me.
their
Yes.
dreams, I feel very happy that I am able to help so many people. And
Okay. Yes.
I feel fortunate to be able to help them.
And my next question is: so when you were young, so what kind of particular aim you had?
What kind of?
Particular aim you had?
Okay. When I was a little child,
Yes.
I wanted to become a doctor. Then I said that I
Yeah.
wanted to
Like
become
me.
a teacher. Then after a while, I wanted to become a software developer, which I did. I became a software developer. But then I
Okay.
got bored of that job. Then I became a
Okay.
marketing executive. I liked that
Okay.
job. Later on, I wanted to become a teacher again. So, our goals keep changing. We keep changing, our goals also keep changing. But now, finally, I am very happy as a teacher. I am really enjoying being a teacher.
Okay, so my next question is firstly, from where to get this idea that you want to learn English? That you want to learn English?
I didn't get your question.
Okay, so if you ask this question to me, then you would say like from where to get this idea that I want to learn English?
Okay, okay. How did
Yeah.
you get this idea that you wanted to learn English? Okay, you are asking
Yes.
me, why did I think of learning English?
Yes. Like if I said like I start learning by suggesting my father. What's your?
You
Yes.
started learning English because your father suggested it. I started
Yeah.
learning English because as a child I wanted to become fluent in English. I don't remember why, but I wanted to become fluent
Okay.
in English since childhood. That is why I started
Okay.
working on it.
My next question is so when you were young, I mean 10th or 12th year, 10 or 12 years old. Yeah, how can I say? Yeah, when you were 10 or 20-year old, do you able to speak English or like not able to speak English?
I was 9 years old. At that time, I was
Yeah.
very good in English grammar. I used to teach the older people when I
Okay.
was in class 6. I used to teach English grammar to, very old kids, like 20, 15, but I was 9 myself. So I was able to score very well, but I didn't speak English much. But then I picked up a job
Okay.
at the age of 21.
Okay.
In my job, I was forced
So
to speak
how
English. Then I became fluent in English.
okay. So how did you practice English?
At that time, there was no
So
internet. I practiced by only speaking, by speaking with
okay,
other people
okay,
only. There was no internet. There were no
okay.
mobile phones.
No internet.
So I practiced by
Okay.
speaking only.
Yes, but I have a lot to say, but sentence doesn't come to my mind right now.
Okay. So it was so
Okay
lovely
then.
talking to you, and all the best, Nakul. Keep working at it.
Okay.
And like I said,
Okay.
keep practicing. Okay.
Okay then. I will try. But
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Have a
now,
great day.
okay.